In this video, I want to open up to you guys and tell you my story of how Forex trading has changed my life. I hope that this video is going to bring you value and it's going to really help you understand the journey of a Forex trader, and hopefully this will inspire you to also get started on your journey, right? Because if you don't start, you will never know the benefits that Forex trading can give you, or you will never know what steps you can take in order for you to be able to succeed. So the first thing is for you to just get started. Now let me just take you back a little bit, but before we do that, I just want to let you guys know that none of the information I'm going to share with you here is financial advice, right? You should not take it as such. Just take this as my personal journey. Hopefully you can also be inspired to start your own personal journey of Forex trading. The first time I heard about Forex trading was in 2014. By that time I was still doing a 9 to 5. I was working in a departmental store and I was working as a TV salesman. So while I was doing that, I was also on the side doing programming, building websites, and then flipping them for a profit. That is what I was doing on the side. But my main aim of doing this side business was to completely quit my 9 to 5 after some time and become financially independent. So that is where I started searching online on Google. I would go on Google how to make money online, and one of the ways that was recommended from the Google searches was Forex trading. I also talked about that and wrote about that in one of my blog posts sometime back in 2014, 2015. And yeah, I just wrote about that in theory, but personally I wasn't actually trading by that time. I just had an idea about Forex trading. And also there's a time I got a contract. There were some tourists who came to Uganda and they were going to Queen Elizabeth National Park to camp there and also look at the wild animals and all that. So they came and they bought tents from the place where I was working. All right, so I had very good experience in assembling these tents because I'd also worked in that department for some few months. I knew how to assemble tents or set up tents, camping tents. So those tents were quite complicated to set up, but I knew how to assemble them because they were sold in bags, but you had to unpack and then assemble them and all that and pitch them. Yeah, so I was given that contract by the white guys from abroad. They gave me that contract to travel about 400 kilometers or 300 and something, I'm not sure, from Kampala to Kasese, where Queen Elizabeth National Park is found. And they were going to pay me about $400 to do all that work for just 2 days. So I went there, assembled those tents, and I was also involved within the campfire meeting which they had, because they had also a church program with the Watoto church here in Uganda. There's a church called Watoto. There are some members from Watoto who had also gone there. So among those people of Watoto who had gone there with me, in 2014, there was a guy who had a laptop, and during the campfire, I saw on his laptop he had charts open. So I knew that this was a Forex chart because I had seen something like that on the internet, but I did not talk to him. But I overheard him telling one of his colleagues that he makes a living from those charts. So that piqued my curiosity. I didn't talk to him after that, but when I came back to Kampala, I continued with my work and I even forgot about that. But of course I kept that in my mind for some time. Though I didn't practically go into Forex trading, I continued with my programming, building websites and all that, and also doing my 9 to 5. But it was not until 2020, during the pandemic, that is when I got back into seriously learning about Forex trading. I went online on YouTube, searched Forex trading, and the gentleman that were recommended to me by YouTube was a gentleman called Jeremy Cash, CEO. I'll put his picture here, and also J Tech Profit. I'll also put his picture right here. These guys, they resonated with me because they are all born again Christians and I'm also born again. So they resonated with me very well. Their content really resonated with me and I loved their trading style. I learned a lot from those two gentlemen, and also a guy called Jack Vadul. Jack Vadul, his channel nowadays, he has very few subscribers and no videos. The videos are not there as such, because his first channel, which I used to watch, was deleted by one of his colleagues who got a misunderstanding with him. That guy had access to Jack Vadul's channel, so he deleted all his old videos, which were really very valuable videos. So yeah, those three guys are the ones who inspired me a lot to learn how to trade Forex. So I learned something from them, though I was not making money. I was still losing money, and I lost a couple of thousands until it was like towards the mid of 2022. Some guy who works for a hedge fund, he's a hedge fund manager, he picked interest in me and he offered to train me for free. I didn't pay him any money to train me. And then also there's some guy here in Uganda who works for a bank. He also actually trained me, taught me how the banks trade and all that, and I got all that knowledge and put it together and started developing my trading career. After learning from those guys, I also went on to spend a couple of thousands on some other courses to learn how to trade Forex properly. It was only after 3 years of me trading, losing and making little, trading, losing, making little, that is when I stabilized and started actually making profit from the trading knowledge that I had actually developed. That is when I developed the one candlestick strategy, the market structure strategy, the moving average strategy, and other strategies I've taught you here on the channel. As I was pushing on and learning how to trade, the things that I saw that changed about me are the discipline, my psychology, my patience, and also how I view human beings in general. That is how Forex trading changed my life. It taught me that human beings are very greedy, they are impatient, and they are pessimistic and optimistic at some times. Learning that about human beings, it helped me to shape the way I see people, the way I treat people, right? And also it made me develop mentally and become more mature mentally, right? So that you can be able to place trades, you need to have mental maturity. So as I was trading Forex, I continued to develop my psychology, and developing my psychology helped me to become a profitable trader. And being profitable brought with it a lot of value, in that I was able now to afford to leave my 9 to 5. I did not leave voluntarily. The company I was working for closed. And when that company closed, it closed at the right time because I already had learned how to trade. Now there, I did not go again and start looking for a 9 to 5, looking for a job and all that. No, I just stabilized and started making money on my own through my trading, and also through my YouTube channel and through my community that you guys have become a part of. So Forex trading changed my life in so many ways that I cannot fully explain to you guys. But it wouldn't have been like this if I had not taken the first step to start. So what I encourage you guys here on this channel right now in this video, if you're watching this video and you're discouraged, you feel like the losses have really piled up heavily, just know that the day will come when you will recover all those losses, right? If you learn to be disciplined, if you learn to be patient, learn to manage your greed, and also learn a correct strategy that actually works. There are so many people on YouTube who call themselves traders. I will not mention names. People like to declare themselves as the best traders in Africa, the best traders in East Africa, the best traders in Uganda, the best traders in Kenya, the best traders in South Africa, best trader in this. People like giving themselves titles. But what those people don't tell you is what happens behind the scenes, right? Behind the scenes. I can tell you now that some of these traders that you guys hype a lot, you hype these traders that they even post videos that are completely useless. I look at their videos and I just laugh and I say, well, now what is this really? What value does such a video bring to a trader who is struggling? Some of these traders post videos just to get views and get your likes and get you hyped up and all that, but they don't give you any value that I can see. Me, who has been through what you guys are going through, I've been through the losses, I've been through scammers, mentors who actually scammed me, I've been through so many other things that I cannot even tell you in the video. Whenever I watch some of those guys, traders that you hype, these traders, you go and say, oh, this is the best trader, this is just because somebody is showing you a car, maybe which he has even rented, someone is showing you a watch, maybe a watch which is not even real, it's a fake, right? I'm not saying this because of jealous or anything. No, I want you guys to be realistic. Some of these traders will never give you the value that I give you guys on this channel. Even if my channel is not as big as what you see on YouTube from other people, influencers and all that, even if my channel is not that big, but I know for sure that the value that I provide in each of the videos that I post, it's invaluable, because the value I provide to you here is a shortened or a simplified version of what I learned from the hedge fund manager and the bank trader who taught me how to trade. I bring all that information and I break it down to you guys in a simple way that you guys can understand. And I have got so many testimonials from some of you guys who have been able to pass your platform challenges. Some of you, your lives have changed. There's a lady from South Africa who sent me a message almost crying. She told me ever since she started following my channel about a year ago, her life has changed, right? Her life has changed. She's able to educate her children, right, whom she was not able to educate. She's a single mother. Now she can afford to take her children to school, right? It's not an expensive school, it's a government school, but at least now she can take them to school. They can eat, okay, they can go out on the weekend and have some fun through forex trading. And she got all that knowledge from my channel after she had failed for over 4 years. So I know that the information I teach on the channel here, it's valuable. So forex trading changed my life, and I am trying to transfer that same knowledge to you guys, and I know it will change your life also if you follow the steps. Don't be discouraged. Don't be swayed by what you see online. Even if you see someone showing you $1 million, a Lamborghini and all that, that is not the reality of trading. The reality of trading is that the losses in trading sometimes are way more than the wins in trading. But the risk to reward ratio and how you strategize can make you come out victorious and profitable. Even in my VIP Signals channel, we lose so many trades. That one I want to be open to you. But at the end of every month, when you go and you calculate at the end of every month, we always come out profitable. That one you can ask the members in the VIP. They can comment down below and tell you what's happening. So forex trading changed my life in that it helped me develop a robust psychology. It changed my life financially, that I'm able to afford my living. All right, I'm able to live my life and sustain myself through my trading, through my YouTube channel, which was also developed because of trading, and through you guys, my community, which has grown so much. So forex trading can change your life in so many ways. There are so many other ways I can tell you that forex trading has changed my life, but I just want to keep it at that for now. I hope you guys have found value with this video. If you found value, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below with your questions. If you want me to make a detailed video of the steps that I took to become a successful trader, comment down below and leave a like on this video. Share this video as much as you can with traders who are also struggling, so that we can bring this awareness, right? And guys, remember to be safe, manage your risk when you're trading, and don't take any of this as financial advice. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and out.